Hey guys, Todd here, and I got my son Jake. He's one of two. We got twins. I got another one looks just like him. He's gonna help me with today's video. He's typing out the email right now. So guys, we've seen a pretty good rally in the dollar, right? So dollar's rallied in five waves. So we do one, two, three, four, five waves, and then we sell off, right? So we've seen the dollar rally up. We think it might be time for a little bit of a pullback, buddy. Can you believe it? So even though the dollar's been rallying, we have five waves up, and we have resistance in those dollar futures in 88. So, dude, you got to trade what you see, not what you think. So, can't chase. We are long the dollar in our service, and we're going to be looking to get out of that position, right, Munchkin? Right, Munchkin? And what's going to happen is we're also going to look to put on this trade, which is gold. So we've seen five waves up in the dollar, but we've now seen five waves down in gold. So we're having intermarket confirmation. We have kind of long-term uptrend support here that actually dates back to even before we even thought about having you, Munchkin, which is like I think it was 2000. This uptrend line is actually, if you go up to the log scale, it's even before I think I even had my first girlfriend. Think about that. Let's think about this. No, I was dating at that time. I think it was 2001, 2002. So let's go back longer term. We got to go to a log scale to look at this. This is a messy chart, but let me just hide some waves here. Let's just do this. Hide, primer and below. Let the data come in, and then if we go, actually, it's still, sorry, it's 2003. So yeah, I was out of college. But if you go to semi-log, which is important to do when you are looking at long-term chart, you will see there's actually a very sweet trend line that comes in right at current levels. So if you go from the April 2003 low to October 2008 to right now, we have uptrend support. It also matches up, buddy, with the high of the credit crisis. Oh, don't fall. So we have support around 1120 or so, 1110 to 1120 in gold. All right. So we have some support coming in. If I take it off semi-log and then go back down to the daily, we have what looks to be a 3 to 6 month rally in the gold market. All right. So, if you break it down a little bit, we've seen a good five wave decline off of the highs in gold, October 2011. That would be pretty much when we started thinking about having you. So the thought of you is as old as this gold downtrend, right? So then February 2000 and what's your birthday? February 13th. That's when you came. We were still in a fourth wave triangle in gold. We've broken from the fourth wave triangle, done five waves down into support. So as much as I want to be bearish gold, and Jake's still typing an email about it, he's writing my research report for it. We still have a three-wave correction due that should take us at least to the 38% retracement, which is 1444. So we have some possible uptrends to come here in gold. So we're going to look to sell some puts tomorrow, dude. We're going to probably sell some put verticals. So we'll do like an equivalent, like 1150, 1100 sale of puts in the GLD to get started. And then if we can break above 1183, then we'll get a little bit more directional and buy some upside calls there to get through there. So, it's being confirmed by the dollar into resistance, and we should get a three-wave pullback, which should take us a couple dollars lower, at least in gold, and maybe down to the 82 level for a 50% retracement. All right. So that being said, we have a webinar coming up tomorrow, free with Motive Wave. I'll link you over to this page. It's going to be about 45 minutes before the New York Open, 8:45. To 9:30, and we're going to talk about the best opportunities in the four major asset classes: stocks, commodities, bonds, and currencies, and what's happened so far in the week, how to trade the rest of the week. We're going to talk about Elliott and Fib using Motive Wave, which is the Elliott software that I'm using. All right, so we'll leave it there, guys. See you tomorrow morning. I'll link you over to that. Say good night, Jacob. You are going in the bath soon, and to bed. See you guys. Take care.